Apparently they like the extra airflow. Didn't seem to bother them. Oh. Sorry, ladies. I done you wrong. Left you with the roast motel here. A slumlord, that's what I am, right? Holes in the, well, there went hole in the wall, but not holes in the roof. Yeah, these guys are going to be ready for the canola, ain't they?
Yep, since we're sitting right on top of it.
Yeah, I think
since you're sitting right on top of it.
I'm going to have to split them probably before it even gets here.
Yeah, because right now they're bringing in hen bit as fast as they can get it in the front door.
And maybe bringing that maple in too, I don't know. Plenty of it over there.
Yep.
Yeah, if we had some decent weather, I'd say these bastards would already been blowing it up. That's a lot of bees. Hello, ladies. You like this? There's one right there trying to get in the door. I'm gonna go ahead and put another piece on here.
Yeah, go ahead and put another one back there to the back.
So you're gonna big strong colony, so you're gonna be able to handle it, right?
You're gonna put another deep on there. Well, being the 2nd of March, I don't think you got to worry about hive beetles yet.
Yeah.
Even though some people are saying that they're already seeing a bunch of them.
Well, I don't doubt that at all.
Well, they overwinter in the cluster.
Yeah, I'm telling you, these girls right here, they do not like hive beetles. They ain't gonna let them hang out for a minute. They're gonna be in their ass.
You gonna put that other deep on there, or?
No, I might drop another super on that. Yeah, there's quite a bit of bees in there. All right, ladies, move your asses. Yeah, I just need to throw this box away. It's too far out of shape. Either I'm gonna need a ratchet strap to strap that bastard down. That looks like a hive beetle, but I don't think it is.
No, it's some kind of little bug.
Yeah, that very first one I made seems to be holding up. I'm gonna go grab another box.
Just out here checking Paul's colonies. He's set up for the canola. I mean, every one of these ladies was working wide open. I don't know how well you see them coming in and out. Get in your colonies. Thanks for watching Willie Bees.